Hello friend, this is your sachet packing machine and inclined conveyor. Now I will tell you how to use this machine and introduce this machine to you. Okay, first step, when you receive this machine, you should connect to your factory power here. We have the plug here to connect to the factory power. And then here is the source. You should connect to your air source. Right here, we now connect the air source. And then you may check for this one is to filling of the water materials. Right here, we have prepared the box of the water. You can fill the water inside it. And then for this one is the magnetic. For this one is the magnetic pump. You can add some different materials inside. And then this is the main power of the machine. When you have connected to the electricity power and the air source, you can turn on this main power to use the machine. And then here we have the button of start and stop the machine and the emergency stop. If anything occurred of this machine, you can push this emergency stop button to stop the machine. And then this is the temperature of the bag you need to fill and seal. And then this one is the screen. You can choose the language here. And then what parameter you need to set is push here. And then for the parameter one, you need to set the screw turns. For example, you set like 4. This is based on your materials, weights, and the bag's length. And then you need to calculate it, and then you can set the screw turns. And for the parameter 2, you need to set is the conveyor belt number. Here the number 5 means that this one box have 5 bags, so it will move to the, if it have 5 bags in one box, it will move to the next section. Okay, and for this inclined conveyor here, you may check this power you need to install on this machine. And here you can also check for this inclined conveyor. Here we have the speed control of this conveyor. You can see push here is low and push here is high, and then this is the main power switch. You can open this switch to use it. Okay, and we're back to this home page. This total count. You will count how many bags you produce one day, and you can keep pressing this reset button to make this number clear. And then the pulling speed, the return speed, you can calculate based on your materials and the bag length to adjust. And this is the machine speed you need. Now we test it for 24 bags per minute. And this is the pulling length, also based on this bag length. And for this eye mark off, and this is the dark sensor. It means that this mark is light or dark. Now it's, and let's check the cutter on. It means that this cutter will cut the bags. And coating on, it means you coat the machine. And for this fill on, it means that this water fills the water inside to the bag. If you need the magnetic pump off, turn off it and turn on it, and you will fill the material in this hopper. And then you turn on the magnetic pump on, and then you will fill the materials. And then this is first bag slow off, and this is a conveyor belt on. It means you turn on it, it means that this conveyor belt will work. Okay, if you want to test the whole machine, you can press this button to start. Okay, now it's 5 bags and you will move to the next section.